Hi, this is Bryce Button with AJ Video Systems, Director of Product Marketing. It's great to be here at IBC again. We've arrived this year with three key themes in mind. The first is 12G SDI. So for you as editors, what you're seeing behind me here is the AJ control room software with a Kona 5 card in it. And that's got 4 bidirectional 12G SDI ports, as well as HDMI 2.0 out playback. So the great thing about this is the benefit you get with 12G SDI is high raster support, deep color support, high frame rate support. So this really simplifies your life in the sense of instead of having to deal with 4 3G SDI cables, you can work with a single cable, less points of failure. That deeper bandwidth is just simply beneficial for you as an editor. And then playing it back out, you've got single cable simplicity again, because it's a proper HDMI 2.0 full size connection. The card also comes with a breakout cable. That breakout cable includes AES audio in, AES audio out, up to 8 channels of each. You have RS-422. And you also have timecode in and out. And there's a reference connection built onto the card itself. So a very powerful card. It's the most powerful Kona card we've ever made. And I think you're going to find it really beneficial for your more demanding workflows. The second theme of the show is, of course, IP. Now when it comes to IP, we have the Kona IP that you may be familiar with, or the IO IP for Thunderbolt 3. Effectively, what's happened during the course of 2018 is ST2110 has finally settled down. So this is a standard that allows Essence support, which means you can add video and audio separately. For editors, you would use one of those previously mentioned products, either the Kona IP or the IO IP. But for the pure needs of reception, of baseband video, we have 2 new mini converters. One is called the IPR10G2 SDI, and the other is the IPR10G2 HDMI. So as you can clearly hear, you're receiving IP video with these devices, and you're converting to baseband. In the case of the HDMI version, we'll actually support up to 30p for Ultra HD, and up to 60p for HD. On the 3G SDI version of the mini converter, you were getting 2 3G SDI outputs, allowing you to both monitor from and pass on a stream to a router, etc. The third important theme is HDR. AJ as a company right now has the most complete system for HDR workflow you can get. We have it within our editing products. Obviously, the Kona 5 again supports HDR workflows across the HDMI 2.0 output. Our digital players recorders like the KeyPro Ultra Plus can both capture and output HDR. The mini converters like the Hi-Fi 4K Plus or the Hi-Fi 12G again support HDR. And the FS HDR, which we brought out about a year ago now, does real-time dynamic range and wide color gamut transformations. So with the latest version for IBC, version 2.6, we've added 4 more HLG LUTs from BBC. We have new outputs from the color front engine, including ARRI log sync. And what's really going to be exciting for you is you can load your own 3D LUTs now. So you can load and save and recall up to 10 3D LUTs. This is a lot of flexibility in that product. Which brings us to the grand product of the show, which is HDR Analyzers. This is called the HDR Image Analyzer. What you'll find with this product is that we're giving you a real-time analysis tool again that you can use either at the production point, your post-production points with a VFX or reading off NLEs, or your final mastering. And it's a combination of the great combination of AJ and Colorfront working together to give you their great tools in our real-time hardware. So if you'd like to learn any more, please do visit aja.com. You'll find a link to what's new, a brand new product brochure, and we've also added a couple of solutions pages. One on streaming, so this is educational for you, and one on fiber. So we'll teach you about the different aspects of those two themes, as well as lead you to correct products that might help you out. Thanks very much.